Hey, look, YouTube, what's the word, man? Listen, today we got Cenat joining a college frat house for 24 hours. Let go. 58K is crazy. Nigga, what is it? Ain't no way. Hold on, bro. Hold on, bro. Well, what is this? Nah, this low-key look vibey, though.
Nah, you wanna go first?
No, you go first.
Are you sure?
Vincent, you trying to go to a frat house, my nigga? They deep? Nah, no cap.
Alright,
You go.
Alright.
Yo! What the?
He's gonna
Nah,
lead
putting
you
the
in.
mask
You
on the
gotta get
nigga
the
is
wall.
crazy.
It's not.
Get on the wall.
It smells like.
On the wall!
Oh my gosh.
Close that door. Kai and Nick, to become brothers, you must pass a
They
series
finna
of
haze
tests.
these niggas?
Hey, why do I?
Ah! You ready?
Yes.
You ready?
Yeah!
The first test. You must remember our creed. It is most important to our brotherhood.
Okay.
I'm going to tell you
Talk to
it,
me.
and you must recite it to me at the end of our test. The creed is, are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready? Yeah!
Yeah. I was made for this shit.
Our creed is, she's a baddie. She's showing her panties.
Ooh, I know this one.
Wait.
Shake it like jelly.
Oh, that's Ice Spice.
I'm
I'm looking like, nigga, what? That's
Cenat,
Ice Spice.
But I'm still shaking in the deli.
Ooh.
Alright, now stay on the wall. You must recite that to me when I tell you when. Are you ready to become brothers?
I got a question though.
What's your question?
Like, what if I'm bad with lyrics?
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
horrible
GG's.
too. I was just asking if you could repeat that.
Yeah.
Alright, one more time.
She a baddie, she showing her panty. She shaking like jelly.
Enough.
100 bands and Chanel.
Take off the
sorry.
bags.
Take it off. Turn around.
I probably should know that whole
Oh,
song.
fuck. What? Step 2 of the initiation. What happens?
What is
You must
this?
take that. Okay. Pop it using only Kai's body.
Oh, fuck.
Hey,
Hey,
You got 30 seconds. Go.
We just met.
No, let's not go
Pop
this.
it.
Okay.
Pop that shit off the
Just punch him with it, bro.
Hurry up.
Come on, man. We got your chest.
These niggas suck. Nah, these niggas having too much fun, bro.
That felt good.
Hey, congratulations. You passed step 2.
That was good.
You passed
Step two.
Yeah.
Now, you must answer the most important question.
Only
the
truth. You must
No lies
answer
here.
and the complete and utter truth.
I don't know, bro.
Nick, I'm going to ask you
I'm just as
first. Are you
confused as you
ready?
is.
Yes, sir!
I guess they hazing these niggas, bro.
Fuck, marry, kill.
Uh-oh. Talk to me.
Skybree,
Oh my god.
Sexy Red,
Come on, give it to him.
and Sarah Safari.
Sarah Safari. Yo, dog. Okay. I didn't notice how Sarah looked. Okay. He said Sexy Red, Sarah Safari, and who's Skybree? I think I know who Skybree is, though. Okay. I ain't gonna lie. Given these options. Okay. Given these options, I would marry Safari. Marry Safari. Crack Sexy Red, and I kill Skybree, no cap. that's my you feel me? That's my shebang right there. I'm curious.
Who you go?
I'm gonna have to fuck Sexy Red.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna have to marry Skybree.
Okay.
I'm killing Sarah Safari.
Dude,
Yes.
okay.
I'm asking you one question. Okay,
I need
it's a
niggas to
question,
know
bro.
who
Answer this with all
Skybree is.
All right,
Marrying her
fuck,
is
marry,
crazy.
kill. Who am I gonna
Talk
fuck?
to me.
Who I'm gonna marry? Who I'm gonna kill?
SZA,
SZA.
Ice Spice.
Ice.
Okay.
Ice.
I don't think you're ready.
Ooh.
Give it to him.
Tiana Trump. Oh!
I don't think you're ready.
SZA, Ice Spice, Tiana Trump.
Right now.
Oh my God.
Right now, Kai.
I'm marrying Scissor.
He gonna crack
I'm
Tiana.
fucking Einstein.
Okay.
And I'm killing.
Okay, my boy said marry SZA, kill Ice Spice, smash Tiana. That's interesting. I'm not gonna lie, given that, I would marry. I'm not gonna lie. I'm marrying Ice Spice, bro. Marrying Ice Spice. Smashing SZA, I'm killing Tiana, no cap. That's my order. That's my order of things, you know what I'm saying? That's my order.
Tiana Trump.
Wait, did he say the same thing I said?
And I'm killing Tiana Trump.
Oh, we switched with the SZA and Ice Spice.
Congratulations, you've passed 2 tests.
Okay.
You are almost complete.
Okay.
For the final, you have.
Is that a fucking party that I hear?
Nah, that sound like a whole rave,
I want you to
nigga.
become brothers, alright? Let's get lit. We have the final test, and you must, Nick, recite our brotherhood creed to
Taught
me.
me.
Oh my God, fuck, I don't even remember it.
On the wall! Nick!
God damn it.
It's an Ice Spice lyric. I forgot it.
Come on.
You better be
She a
quiet.
baddie. She showing her panty. I think that's what it is.
Baddie got her hand in my handy panties.
What is this nigga chatting about?
I got it. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. Put my evidence up in the band.
Nah, he did that a little too easily, bro.
Hold on. That is God can save Nick here.
Okay.
One more
God can
question.
save Nick here.
I start.
She a
You have
baddie,
to
she
finish
showing her
this
panty,
lyric.
bro.
Are you ready? Yeah. I was walking in the rain with my Timbs on, stepping over puddles full of pain.
Finish it.
Big storm.
I don't know this.
Hold on,
I ain't gonna lie, I don't know this.
I was walking in the rain with my Timbs on, something with a puddle full of pain. It's a big storm. 13
I don't know that song. They lit though. Hey, nah. They started.
Thank you, Agent State Farm.
Nah, they too turned, bro. I ain't gonna lie, this made me wanna go back to college, bro. No cap. Nah, niggas really outside. Oh, he doing the what's that called? I forgot what's that called, bro. Low key the unofficial this week and next week. Hey, these niggas is crazy. Nigga, and that's all beer. Imagine that being all tequila, bro. This nigga like a crackhead.
Beer bomb. Let's go! Yes! Where's the big
He a geeker? Not the white women's. Tequila, bro. Tequila murder, bro. Now he full of snow. This nigga Kai is full of snow. He's in a snowstorm right now. You know what I'm saying? You only get this experience a couple times in life, so when you do, take advantage of it.
Yo, we're gonna play beer pong. Beer pong. We cannot lose.
I ain't gonna lie, beer pong will be tough. Minus the beer. Where's Dr. Umar?
Losers.
He'd be disappointed in me, I ain't gonna lie, because I'll be in there acting the fool, boy.
Okay, holy shit.
I missed you.
Fuck, it's okay. It's my turn? Yeah.
Bro, beer pong is so easy, bro.
Yes!
Come on, bro.
Yes.
Come
Beer
on,
pong
bro.
is low-key
Drink up.
easy. Beer
Drink
pong's
the
not
fuck
hard.
up. Good ass apple juice.
Yeah, that was a good throw.
Yup. Let's go.
Yeah.
Did anybody tell you this is an all-white party? Someone get this jigaboo away from me. No, I'm just playing. Hey, nah, that just threw me off. Like, hello?
Let's go.
Nah, bro.
Yes!
I told you, bro, beer pong only get hard. I'm not gonna lie, beer pong only get hard when it's like 2-3
Please
cups
do
on, bro.
iMessage every fucking day.
Told you, bro.
That's what I do. 3 for 3. That's what I fucking do, chat. Hurry up, chat.
Where did all these niggas come from?
You go get him, grab it.
Alright, nigga. You tried
What
it.
the fuck was that? Ah! You fucking suck.
Ooh, wee.
Sorry, it's alright, Nick. Hey, cut! It's alright, bro.
Now these niggas having too much fun. These niggas finna lose. They playing against real geekers, bro.
That's ludicrous. But I got you. Hang on. Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there.
That's what I'm talking about, Nick. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Balls back! That's what I'm talking about. Yes! Balls back! Balls sack! Balls back!
This is a big moment here.
Get it. Get it.
We knocked these and we're done.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
That nigga Nick look drunk already, bro.
Fuck.
Oh my gosh, they selling.
It's okay. We're up one. Miss. Oh, okay. Go. Dang. Yo. You not clutch, gang. Yes.
So we have to hit. We have to hit.
Might be GG's for this niggas. It's over with. GG's. He hit?
We gotta go back behind the back.
I gotta jump to this table.
Hey, my nigga Nick look drunk already. What was the point of that, bro?
You got a boyfriend? With you too?
Why is she here? Why is she here? Did anyone tell her that this is an all-white party? Why is she here? Go back? You want to see the tweaker?
Holy shit. Alright, 5!
He's a tweaker, bro.
Yo, he's
a tweaker, bro.
Shit, what's your name is? Sophia! You got a boyfriend? With you too?
Where all these niggas come from? That's what I'm trying to figure out.
Oh my god! Boy, he got a boyfriend! Hey, that don't go. Yeah, we can be friends! We can be friends! Let's be friends!
Hey, this is insane, man. Best friends is crazy. You don't even know this nigga. You just automatically like, we can be best friends. Yeah, okay. Imagine your shoulder. Imagine.
Yo, best friend, can I get your number? I got you, best friend. Let me get your number, best friend. Here, bro. I got you, best friend.
The beer getting to him.
I wanna fuck.
Alright, let me show you head beer, right?
This nigga got stupid.
What the? Yo, everybody's a crackhead.
My nigga, what is happening? What is happening right now, bro? And my cam just froze. Jesus Christ. Cause what's going on right now, bro? Somebody explain this to me. Is this the culture? I need to go around these niggas. These niggas is lit.
Wait, what did you say? You said these people don't play. Come on.
Wait, huh?
You said these people don't play.
I don't know what he said.
Girls want to dance battle you.
I'm trying to dance battle. Wait, hold on. Hold my shit. You want to dance battle?
Bro, heated. Oh my God. I know he flew. Okay. This nigga kind of stupid.
What the fuck? Damn. Come on.
Nah, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Her boyfriend, that ain't your girl no more, gang. I'm sorry to explain this to you, my brother. You might as well cut that loose right now, bro. That's tough. She trying to be a nigga tour guide. She called this nigga TikTok. Nah, facts. TikTok fuck this and all the way. But it's cool, though. It is what it is, bro. But her boyfriend say GG's to those. I ain't gonna lie, bro. You call a nigga your best friend, you just met him, now you trying to get a nigga a tour. Okay.
Hey, come on. See my tour guide, chat.
This is Flip Cup.
What is this?
This is a different game.
Bro, this girl that said she had a boyfriend is literally on my dick right now. As we speak. Should I hit her or no?
This nigga Kai is crazy.
I'm joking.
Nah,
Wait,
Kai,
where do
you
you
for
stay
real.
at?
That's a party dorm.
Party dorm.
Yes, sir.
Wait, how about that?
It's at the end of campus, but it's really just down one road.
Oh.
But I have a boyfriend. Thank you. Love you, man. I love you, Carter.
Saying this nigga name is crazy. Hey, Carter. Carter. Congratulations, my nigga. Congrats, Carter. Your canon event is officially here. Kai Face it all, no cap. That nigga officially is in his canon event. We cannot intervene with this one. Congratulations, Carter.
In case I wasn't clear.
Alright, who's going? I'm enough right now.
Okay, wait. If we win, what happens?
If you win, we'll give you a line. Everybody gets a line.
A line of what? She has to clear this up. This nigga just said my type of party. Oh my gosh. And she gotta clear up that statement, bro. No cap.
A line? Whoa. A line? Wait a second. Hold on, brother. What do you mean by a line? I don't do lines, brother. I'm about to say, if we win, like, we get the fuck, but I think that's a little extreme.
That's extreme. It's extreme.
That's crazy.
You already got a girl, too.
Wait, no. But she has a boyfriend. Why is she acting like...
She likes you.
No. Carter is GG's. Carter is over with for you, my nigga. Oh my gosh, bro. Carter, it might be GG's for you, bro.
A girl, too.
Wait, no. But she has a boyfriend. Why is she acting like...
Nah, that's crazy.
If we win, they gotta flash us.
You gotta say it.
If we win, y'all gotta flash us.
Hey, Vincent, you might be right, my brother. This might be my type of party too, my nigga. No kizzy. It might be my type of party too, brother.
Come on. If y'all win, that's smack us.
What'd you say?
Smack.
You go when he wants it.
Okay, what game is this? Okay. That nigga just cheated.
We got it. Oh, wait, we didn't win yet. Oh, my God. Oh, shit. Yeah!
Show us the
Oh my gosh, 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 oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Mobile games are going big. Play the official PC version of Clash of Clans with Google Play Games.
That's just not funny, bro.
Don't do that shit to me.
Yo, Carter, gang. Let me. Yo, Carter, bro. Hey, Carter, you probably not gonna see this video, Carter, bro. Yo, Carter, bro. I don't know what to tell you, my nigga. Like, it's over with, bro. Like, it's done. It's GG's. I don't know what to tell, bro. Like, all this video is all evidence he needs, no cap. Cause this is insane. Oh my God.
What did you say?
I said, where's the big drop?
Where's the big drop?
Yes, sir.
Who's the big drop?
I don't even know, man.
This nigga don't even know who the big drop. He said, who's
Wait,
the big
Phantom's
drop?
the big drop?
I guess.
Oh, shit. Phantom at the crib.
Phantom at the crib?
Yeah.
He should have came, bro.
I know, bro.
I'm trying to dap him up.
Oh, boy. I'll be here.
I'm here.
Make sure you look for me.
Well, I'm not leaving, so.
I'm not leaving neither.
Well, there we go.
Yo, oh my God. No, but like, actually imagine being Carter, bro. Actually imagine being that nigga. You watch this video, bro. Like, imagine you like, oh, Cenat, I rock with him. He cool peoples, bro. I rock with Kai, bro. I like his content. And you watch his latest video. Your girl tell you, ooh, Kai was at our college. He watched this video and you see, yo, shorty choosing like this, nigga. Oh my gosh.
Oh, look, let me see. We about to.
He gonna have to be a strong nigga, bro.
What do you want?
Yo, give me your gun! Give me your gun!
He cut
Give me
nigga
your
head.
gun! Kai, I'm ready! I'm ready!
You.
Yeah! Give me your gun! Yes,
I'm
That
one of the
nigga's
best
drunk.
barbers in the United States. Okay. I trust you. I got you, my boy. She has a boyfriend. Look, she has a boyfriend. It ain't talking about. And we. Oh my God, I'm overlaid.
Yo, Carter, it's over, nigga. Yo, Carter, you're finished. You're done, Zo, my nigga. You're done.
Overlaid. I'm overlaid.
No.
Rotate!
Nigga said I'm Obalay. So is he in Alabama?
I got this. What the fuck? No, you're good. Are you sure?
Why you doing this nigga dirty, bro? I ain't letting nobody cut my hair.
That's it, right? Oh, yeah!
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. It ain't bad, but it ain't good.
You wanna go ball? He wants to go ball. Let's go.
Yo, these niggas do anything. Yo, Vincent, I'm not gonna lie, bro. We need to get in with somebody and go to a friend. We need to. You feel me? Like, we need to come in contact with somebody and go to a frat, my nigga. Cause this is too turn for me to be missing, bro. This is insane. Oh my gosh. You gotta finish that nigga hair.
Let's get a photo.
Nigga said Rose.
Hold on, bro. Oh, she's still grabbing.
Yo, Carter, you're done, nigga.
Like Duke Dennis. Is that Glazer?
Yo, Carter. You're finished, nigga. Carter. This is all the proof you need. Yo, Carter. This is all the proof you need, nigga. Oh my gosh, this is disgusting. This is nasty.
Yeah.
One question. Does Drake follow you on IG?
Does Drake follow me?
Champagne Poppy.
Yeah.
You're lit, bro. You're
Yeah. Drake, Champagne Poppy.
Hey, Carter.
Yeah. Do you know Duke Dennis?
Yo, God.
How old is that nigga?
He's 30.
Duke Dennis. When was he born? 1940?
Oh, she about to give it up now. Oh yeah, it's GG's. it's done.
Duke Dennis?
Yo, God.
How old is that nigga?
He's 30.
Duke Dennis. When was he born? 1940? Hey,
Bro.
picture with Monster, please. Yo.
That shit kills you.
Seeing picture with Monster is
But I heard
crazy.
that y'all logo's a little funny about Monster, bro.
That's a devil drink. That's the devil.
I heard it's a devil drink, bro.
666.
Oh, whoa. Hey,
I'm with Jesus Christ.
Hey,
My Lord and Savior. I ain't gonna lie, you look good as fuck right there.
Oh, this nigga cat smart. I ain't gonna lie, this nigga cat smart. Now let's see what her response is besides, thank you, Carter. This is, you feel me, Carter? You got all the evidence you needed, but this is going to be the final verdict, my nigga. So, let's lock in.
But I have a boyfriend.
Vincent, question. Do you think she saved it, or is it too late? Talk to me. Talk to me.
What the fuck is going on?
She might be a keeper.
I'm here right now.
She might be. I don't know though. Either she's super friendly, or or she just saying that because of the camera. I feel like if the camera was off, I feel like it's a different story. I'm not gonna lie. She might be fangirling, but I think that's just because of the camera, bro.
Kai, got you good.
No, that's fire.
Let's go, Nick. Let's go, Nick. Quick interview segment. Smash or pass? Ice Spice. Smash. Smash or pass? Kai Cenat. Smash. Yeah.
Hey, this nigga. No, she's still here. She's still here. Y'all can't see her. She's still here, bro. Yeah, bro. It might be GG's, Carter. I ain't gonna lie.
Smash or pass? Drake. Smash. Oh. Smash or pass? Orlando Brown. Smash. Oh.
Orlando Brown is crazy.
This is ludicrous.
Yo, I get one more State
right, we'll call
Farm.
for
Like, what's up, bro?
Bro, this school
No,
is what?
her voice was mad deep. I tried to ignore it, but you brought it up, bro.
Smash or pass? Drake.
Smash.
Oh.
Mister, that's your type.
Smash or pass? Orlando Brown. Smash. Oh! Bro, this school is one of the craziest colleges I've ever been to. No cap, bro. What the fuck is up, y'all?
That's cool lit.
How the fuck you living? Good,
She is tall.
Smash or pass? Ice Mice. Smash easy, boss. Smash or pass? Ice Mice.
Smash.
Smash or pass? Ice Mice.
All day.
Smash or pass?
All day.
Oprah Winfrey.
Griffey is crazy.
Smash.
That $1 billion pussy, no cap. Yo, back-to-back main channel videos. Chat, if you want the streak to continue going, get this video to 100,000 likes.
My nigga
Fuck
said
it.
she
Every
is
video we just do
tall.
100,000, all right?
Hey, Kai, we got a little surprise in the room, baby.
What you got? Uh-oh.
Hey, Kai, see what's in there for you, girl?
Yeah. Yo!
Nigga got the snowstorm.
Yo! Hey,
Nigga brought a snowstorm.
Guys, I'm gonna put my shirt on?
Yeah.
I
How do you like Alabama?
Roll.
ain't gonna lie, listen. Alabama trip? We need to find somebody. Okay, let's get our clout up. We going to Alabama and we gonna go turn up with them folks.
Oh, for motherfucking time.
Roll
I'm about to say out of my
Tide.
camera real quick. Yo! Do you guys know who
That nigga in the
Duke Dennis is?
snowstorm.
Duh.
Which are the better ones?
Okay, I got a question. Would you rather smash Duke Dennis or Kai Cenat?
So, you got your paddle, we got you a banner, it did fall off, but...
Wait, y'all got me a whole banner?
Bro, for those of you two, to remember today, St. Darty's Day, Kai and Nick, Real Do and Millie.
Yo, everybody go
Nah,
subscribe to him.
this is tough.
His channel gonna be the link down below. First link down below is gonna be his channel, bro. I'm a little emotional. Can I just say something to my brothers real quick?
What's up, Kai?
And to my ladies too. Hey.
Alabama, yeah, we gonna need Kyle. It's gonna get racist real quick. You ain't lying though.
You're staying at my tonight?
Yeah, I'll stay.
You're staying at my tonight? Yeah.
Wait, huh? Cause I'm looking like somebody in my ear right now.
You're staying at my tonight?
Ladies too.
Bro,
Hey.
man, listen, bro.
Look.
You're staying at my tonight?
Yeah, I'll stay.
You're staying at my tonight?
This nigga stupid.
Want a kiss?
Yeah, I do. Yeah.
Yo, Chris.
no.
Get a kiss?
She wants a kiss.
Oh,
One by
you
one
got
of
me
the
excited.
One by one. Yo, she wanted a kiss.
About to get a kiss, Chris.
One by one. She was
Question, guys. A woman, random woman, you've never met her, you just met her in this moment, asks you for a kiss. Do you give it to her, yes or no?
literally begging for a kiss, bro. She's like, give me that. Oh, is it that easy?
Dude, it's so free down here, bro. It's Alabama.
Yeah, we going to
She was
Alabama.
like, can I
visit.
have a kiss? Bitch, I just met you. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing amazing.
Are you having a good day?
I'm having an amazing fucking time. No
How many
cap.
drinks have you had?
I've had 6 shotguns.
6 shotguns. That's
6
crazy.
shotguns,
Did you
yeah.
funnel?
Did I funnel? No.
The PNs, but not no snow bunny. You gotta get snow bunnies, my nigga.
I don't think I funneled. But let me ask you a question.
All right.
Have you ever been with a black guy?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. I'm not gonna lie. I really feel like I'm in a fucking movie right now. What makes you different from everybody else?
I'm kind of insane, actually.
In what way?
I get
Kinda
that girls
insane.
are crazy, but
I
like,
can't
shit,
say it
I'll go
on
the
here.
extra
Sure
mile.
you can,
Where you from?
buddy.
I'm from
Nah,
Andalusia,
don't say it.
Alabama.
Don't say it.
Andalusia, Alabama. Oh, so this is your house? This is your home?
3 hours from home.
Oh shit! This is my first time in Alabama.
It's an
So you're one of the first Alabamians that I'm talking to.
Hell yeah.
Alabamians
Roll motherfucking
is
Tide.
crazy.
Roll Tide.
I ain't gonna lie. I like your vibe. I like your energy. What's your name?
Jaden Davis.
Okay, Jaden. Yeah, 2 first names.
Jaden
And
Davis.
Okay, well, I'm gonna remember you.
She's
and
mad
hopefully,
country.
and hopefully I pick you. See you
I hope
soon.
so too.
See you soon, all right? I'm not gonna lie. This campus is full of snow.
There's a lot.
Is there any like
It's
chocolate?
a snowstorm,
Do you
nigga.
want chocolate?
Yeah, if we can like, but probably if we can't get it right.
Kai, stop acting like you enjoy being here, my nigga. Come on, man.
Now, just get it like further on.
Make sure you're happy.
This for the
Okay,
ancestors.
but I'm ready to try. Like, I want like, no, I'll play the song a little bit. Just a
I
little
think
bit.
we gotta find something exotic.
Ooh, yeah.
Like, you know, a little bit of like.
Something I'm not used to.
Yeah, where you from? But I kind of like what you're
Arabian.
doing.
Yes, bro. Yes, yes.
All right, let me go look
I
at
get
the
the
next
next
one.
one.
We got a whole line.
Okay, bet.
Wait 1 second, okay?
Bet. What's your name?
I'm Faith.
Faith. Okay, I have faith
That's the
in
one
you
that
too.
was the-
Yeah.
Can I sit on your lap? Yeah.
Yo, hi, Faith.
Hey.
Hey. One question. Spit or swallow?
Is that really a question?
Yeah.
Only bitches spit.
Oh.
I ain't a bitch. Mama didn't raise no
I ain't gonna
bitch.
lie.
Oh, my man.
Faye can get it. You might be right, my nigga. I
Hey,
ain't
raise
gonna
no
lie.
bitch.
You might
Okay,
be
one
right,
hand
I ain't
or
gonna
two
lie.
hands?
Do you really need to use 2 hands?
Do you include
Faith one
balls?
of them
If
ones.
you need
I wouldn't say that, but she can definitely. You feel me? I'll play in the storm a little bit.
to use 2 hands, you're not good enough.
Damn. Okay, what would you rate me from 1 through 10?
10, duh.
You ever been with a black guy? Never?
I have.
And how was that experience?
Once you go black, you never go back.
Vincent, you might be right. You might be on to something, my brother. You might be on to something, my nigga. No cap. You just might be on to something. I wasn't familiar with your game. I'm sorry I doubted you, my nigga.
Damn! Look at face, look at face, look at face.
I've slept with him.
What?
Okay, that's too far. It's too far.
Wait,
And I stand by my statement.
what the fuck? You slept with him?
I did.
Wow, that's amazing. Where you from?
I'm from Memphis.
Memphis, Tennessee?
Indeed.
That just no cap. That makes so much sense. Her being from Memphis makes so much sense. Oh my gosh.
Need the 901.
How you feel about John Morant?
I'm gonna keep my opinions to myself
Okay.
because we're on social media.
Okay, do you like Duke Dennis? Do you know who Duke Dennis is?
I do know who did it.
Duke Dennis or Cenat?
Cenat.
Yes! Okay.
What does
Good
she mean
vibe,
by that?
Good answers. Hopefully I'll pick you.
Is it really a choice?
Damn, you think you're gonna win?
Oh.
I'll see you soon.
Yes, you will.
All right, every moral just out the fucking door.
She not
Nah,
the one.
Yeah,
facts.
she's.
She not the one.
I don't think she's the one. Ain't no way she's saying that on the first time
that
meeting.
was
Can I sit on your lap? I'm not gonna lie, I'm rocked right now. And then she just says, oh yeah, I slept with him. Like,
What?
come on, bro, he's my man's, bro. I'm
Why
not.
are we on the black couch of a porno right now?
Hold on, watch, hold on, let me do it. Hold on, give me the camera. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Emma. My dad left when I was like 9.
Yeah! So y'all, shit, like, how old y'all
What is this fast? She definitely got ran by the football team. Absolutely.
girls is type shit?
I'm 22.
22? Oh, how old are you?
20.
This nigga,
Okay.
that mask is hideous.
All right, I was born in motherfucking 1987 type shit.
1987.
Yeah, how you feel about an old nigga?
I like him older.
I like 33.
Last guy was with 42.
Yo, this mask is crazy.
guy was with 42. That is true.
Wait, she said like.
was with a 40.
Yo, wait, hold on.
I can back
Wait,
that
do you
up.
actually think I'm 33?
No.
Oh, I'm 22.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So like, what do y'all like to do?
Get fucked up. We like to go out.
I swear to God, I thought she was finna say something else. Oh God, I thought she was finna say something else. Oh my goodness.
Like where? 12?
Harry's karaoke
12.
night on Tuesday is the shit. 12 is where
You have an
it's at.
accent. Where you from?
I'm from Alabama.
Alabama, Harry's. I'm from New York. You ever been there?
Where?
New York.
Yeah.
You guys have to come to fucking New York,
I want
man.
to go to New York.
Real
Bring
shit.
the
I'm not
snow
gonna lie,
to
you
New
guys
York.
are all pretty lit. When the last time y'all, matter of fact, fuck it, I'm being bold. What's the body count?
You go.
Oh. You go.
Mine's 5.
Cap. Yeah, trip to Alabama is needed. Factual.
5? Okay.
Mine's
6?
Cap.
Okay. So just
5, 6, 7
and
is crazy.
5, 6, and 7.
Wait, for real?
You know what the mines is?
32.
3.
I want to get to 4, but like
3 times 5.
I don't know who to like make
3,
the 4th.
4, 5. Oh, look.
3,
Wait,
4,
four.
5,
Yeah.
6.
No, 6, yeah.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah.
Okay.
3, 4,
Smash or pass me. I'm gonna go one by one.
Smash. Smash.
Damn!
Come to our house. Oh yeah, we all live together.
Wait.
Yeah, we're roommates.
Where's your house at?
Like 5 minutes from here. Not far.
Okay. I'm here all day.
We're here all year.
So I would love to do a tour. I would love to get like a little tour and shit
Love
like that.
Yeah, you can get a tour. You can
Okay.
get a tour.
I
But
like
this
the
nigga-
answers. I like y'all vibe. And I'm gonna see if y'all pick y'all.
Nah.
Remember, you get 3 for 1.
Wait, really? You guys fucking.
I'm not gonna lie to Vincent, we gotta lock in, bro. It's time to lock in. It's time to lock in, bro. It is time. It sounded like you.
And 3 for 1? They call me KC3000. All right.
shit.
All right, I'll see you guys soon.
All right.
All right.
Okay.
Yo. Everybody say, just give me my money.
Give my money.
Just give me my money.
Give me my money.
I don't know if y'all down, bro. If we could get a fucking frat house,
This nigga
if y'all
Missy
trusted
is
me just to
stupid.
have production in here, set up multiple cameras, multiple mics, PCs in here, just for like, I don't know if you guys ever watched one of my biggest projects. I did like huge ass projects like 7 days in. A college streaming frat house would be fucking
college streaming
insane.
frat house would be
200,000
fire.
likes, and I'll do a fucking college streaming big ass project. Me and Nick gonna be able to have that going on.
Man, life as a brother. I'd love to.
Yeah, that
This
should be
nigga Nick having too much
crazy.
fun.
I love you, Carter. In case that wasn't clear.
When you ride.
This is crazy. Hey, man. Hey, W video, man. Shout out. Oh, my gosh, nigga. A trip is needed.